Hi, this How to Earn Minute will show you how to add GIF on Wix website. Follow these easy steps to easily learn how to add GIF photo in your Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and then click on Add Elements. And here click on Images. And just click on Upload Image. And click on Upload from Computer. And now from your computer, select the GIF that you want to upload in your Wix website. And here, as you can see, the GIF file is uploading. It may take some time. It depends on your GIF image size. Once it's uploaded, select the GIF and click on Add to Page. And here, as you can see, my GIF has been successfully added. Now you can resize your GIF image like this. You can also change the GIF image position and go to Image, Edit Image. Then you will be able to edit or customize your image. Go to Design section to change your GIF background. So this is how we can actually add or upload GIF images in our Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.